Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we're here with Fabian and Myra, and they just bought this building. We just had a wonderful interview with the former owner, Jorge, and he told us all about the neighborhood. Now we're going to talk to these guys and hear what their plans are for the house. Maybe tell us how you found it and what brought you to Puerto Rico, and spitball.
Thank you, Robbie. Well, I'm here because this is the best of the both worlds, the quasi-American system and the Latino culture that I miss. I'm Colombian, so this is the closest I can get to Colombia. How I found the property, I was driving around, driving for dollars, as I call it. I saw the sign is still there, Se Vende, and stopped like half a block there, and then put my car in reverse. Lucky me, the owner, one of the owners, the heirs, Jorge, the one you interview, he was getting some stuff out of the property, so we just talked to him and he gave us the numbers, and then we negotiated with the other 9 heirs, or 10. It was a long process, but we made it happen, and we're here. I'm happy to guide this property.
And then what are your plans for it? Obviously it needs a lot of work, but it's in a really good area, and
I don't have any plans, but I have many ideas.
Some ideas?
Yeah,
okay.
and I'm really open to listen to your viewers to tell me. Maybe they know the area better than me, of course.
Yeah.
But an idea is to have a coffee shop in the first floor, a hostel in the second floor, and we're standing in the future drive-through. If that's allowed in Puerto Rico, then we will do that. We also want to build like a metal porch or patio, however you're gonna call it, around the property.
Yeah.
So
maybe
you can
see-through glass.
A see-through glass, yeah.
Pool.
Maybe, yeah.
Top floor.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, in the last floor. What else?
Well, we originally wanted to do like Airbnb and all that. Maybe the basement. Did you
The basement as well.
Wanted to do a cool little cave-looking Airbnb or something, but we don't know yet because of the height. But we're open to suggestions, just like he said. But I don't know, the fact, or murals, some cool murals too on it, on the walls back here.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can see any like sign from the freeway, from Expresso.
Yeah, if you could put a sign on the roof, you can get some nice revenue from that. And so I think we talked off camera, you may be looking for a partner if they wanted to come in and run a coffee shop.
Yeah, I don't want to run a business, so if anyone is interested in making this coffee shop, I'm willing to partner with someone who knows about that, or even the hostel, or any other idea, or if you have contacts with the Starbucks or any other chain similar to that and they want to take over. There's many more deals in Puerto Rico, so I'm not in love with any particular deal. I'm willing to let someone take over.
Perfect location for student housing and all that stuff, so just wanted to throw that out there. It seems to be very important.
Yeah, and the stop for the train stop is just like 2 minutes away, walking. So it's very important for someone who comes to Puerto Rico and don't have a car and want to tour the island. Perfect location for that.
And the beautiful thing about the island here is the collaboration that goes on. We just were at a deal makers breakfast earlier, and then we came here afterwards. And really, you've bought this building now, and you're looking for ideas, and you're looking for partners. So there's an endless amount of opportunities here in Puerto Rico right now. And someone who is a young, ambitious entrepreneur who wants to have a coffee shop can come here and partner with Fabian and Myra and build something really cool. It's in a good area. It's going to make a bunch of money. It's going to be a lot of fun. So, and you're 3 minutes from the beach. I mean, what could be better than that?
Exactly. Or if you wanna just fund the deal, I'm happy to take your money. I'll give you a good return. What else? You can follow us in Instagram, Fabian Toledo and the letter X, and
at Miley's Official.
Okay, and we'll get the links and put them in the description below. And
or dineroportucasa.com.
Yeah. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Ciao.